Have you ever wondered why you feel the way you feel? Why some days your brain just works against you? Welcome to TheMindWiz, where we make psychology simple, relatable, and actually useful. Every week, we break down real mental health topics in a way anyone can understand. No complicated terms, no lectures, just the stuff that actually helps. If you're ready to understand your mind better, hit subscribe. Your journey starts here. We're back with 10 more facts about the most powerful thing in the known universe, your brain. These ones are even weirder. Don't say we didn't warn you. Let's go. Fact 1. Your brain is about 60% fat. Yep. The organ doing all your thinking, feeling, and deciding is mostly made of fat. So next time someone calls you a fathead, technically accurate. Fact 2. You have a second brain in your gut. Your gut has over 100 million nerve cells and produces about 95% of your body's serotonin, the chemical linked to happiness. That gut feeling you get? Your body literally thinking. Fact 3. Boredom is actually a signal, not a flaw. When you're bored, your brain is telling you it needs more stimulation or meaning. Boredom has been linked to some of the most creative breakthroughs in history. Next time you're bored, lean in. Fact 4. Your brain generates enough electricity to power a small light bulb. Right now, while you watch this, your brain is producing roughly 20 watts of electrical power. You are literally lit. Fact 5. Loneliness is as damaging to your health as smoking 15 cigarettes a day. This isn't about being alone. It's about feeling disconnected. Chronic loneliness affects your immune system, heart, and even how long you live. Connection isn't a luxury. It's a biological need. Fact 6. Your brain is more active at night than during the day. While you sleep, your brain is processing emotions, consolidating memories, and solving problems. A lot of your best ideas come from a good night's sleep, not a late-night grind session. Fact 7. Smiling actually makes you feel happier, even if it's fake. Your brain reads your facial muscles and responds to them. Force a smile long enough and your mood genuinely starts to shift. It feels silly. It works anyway. Fact 8. Your brain has a dedicated system just for recognizing faces. It's called the fusiform face area, and it's so powerful that humans see faces everywhere. In clouds, toast, car bonnets. It's called pareidolia, and your brain does it automatically, constantly. Fact 9. The average person has around 6,200 thoughts per day. Most of them are repetitive. A large chunk are negative, and almost none of them are actually true statements about who you are. Your thoughts are not facts, worth remembering. Fact 10. Your brain physically changes every time you learn something new. This is called neuroplasticity. New experiences, skills, and habits literally rewire your neural pathways. You are never too old, too stuck, or too far gone to change. Your brain is built for it. 10 more reasons your brain is the most fascinating thing you'll ever own. Subscribe to TheMindWiz so you never miss a video, and drop a comment. Which fact are you telling someone about today? See you next time.